This is Unit 5, Momentum in AP Physics. We're doing the pre-exam number 14. And we have one of these multiple correct questions where we could have multiple ones. Well, that's not going to be on any tests anymore. But still, to solve it, let's look at the answers. And when I look at these, there are, looks like math to do right away, a whole bunch to figure this out, and this one too. So let's make my life easier, and let's try to see if either B or C can be the answers, because they look a lot easier to solve. If I can make each of these wrong, well, then the math ones have to be right. So I'm going to try to take the path of least resistance. And the key is constant speed. And here, the work done, the net work done in revolution is 0. Well, I know work is equal to the change in kinetic energy. And in one revolution, that's a vector, if the initial velocity and the final velocity are equal to each other, because it's constant, therefore my work has to be 0, and I know B is the correct answer. Let's look at C. There, again, we're still going to use constant speed as my solution. And we know momentum initial has to equal final. And if I have initial mass, initial velocity equals the initial mass and the final velocity, well, if these have to be equal to each other and it's constant, then it's also the momentum is also constant. So the answer is C.